Hey there, Broncos. I have a question. How necessary do you think it is to have good technology skills? Now, regardless of your response, I think we can all agree that great technology skills go beyond knowing how to use a computer. Nowadays, technology plays a bigger part of our lives, our education, and professional development. Therefore, we should keep building on our skills. According to the Association of Colleges and Employers, the use of technology involves understanding and leveraging technologies ethically to enhance efficiencies, complete tasks, and accomplish goals. That means having the ability to adapt quickly to changing technology in order to continue being productive in any environment. So at any given point, you can develop your technology skills by demonstrating a willingness to explore and learn new technology, and by applying your critical thinking skills to troubleshoot and learn from difficulties as you adapt. So for example, all CUNY students are required to access and know about the different tools in CUNY first, such as knowing how to search for classes, review degree plans, and address their holds and clear their to-do list items. Other free tools that can be accessed with your CUNY login include a Zoom account for meetings with no time limits, a Dropbox storage that can be useful to store important files, and a copy of Microsoft Office 365 that can be accessed online or downloaded to your devices to work on any documents that require Microsoft Word, Excel, or PowerPoint. Students at Bronx Community College are also required to claim, access, and use their student BCC email to build on professional communications with the college community. Use Starfish to review their early progress report and schedule appointments. Access OSIS to review their midterm grades and get their final exam schedule. And overall, show a willingness to learn other tools like ePortfolio because it may be required for certain courses. And thinking deeper, keep in mind that many of these technology skills, like knowing how to use Zoom, Dropbox, Microsoft Office 365, and using a professional email, are standard skills that are required for many industries. So learning and practicing them here will only better prepare you for any field you enter in the future. And while you're at it, you also want to take the time to explore other technology skills that may be required in your industry and start building on those skills now, because only through knowledge and practice will you master new skills. That will be all for this video, Broncos. Thank you for watching. Until next time.